Hey guys, what's up? I'm going to teach you some basic algebra terms in this video. So let's get started. The first term is constant. So what is a constant? It's something that has a constant value. So let's take 1, 2, 3, every number. Every number is a constant because they have a certain value and that doesn't change anytime. So you can't write like 1 is 1 and 1 is 2 and 1 is 3. So it is a constant. So the second term is variable. Variable is something that has value that is uncertain. I mean, like you don't know. For example, x is a variable. If I say x is equals to, you don't know what is the value of x until I define, like if I define x is equals to 5, you would say the value of x is 5, but we can't say the value without defining it. So it's a variable, is something that don't have a certain value. And the third term is expression. So expression is something that is a combination of a constant and a variable under any binary operation. So binary operation are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and etc. So 2 plus x is the example. So we have a constant right here and a variable, and there is the binary operation. So you may think x is not an expression, but it is an expression because it's 1 times x, and 1 here is a constant, and the binary operation is multiplication. So even x is an expression, so don't think it's not an expression. The next term is an equation. As it suggests in the name itself, equation needs to have an equal sign in the middle. So it's like if I say x plus 5 is equals to 12, so these values must be equal, so x plus 5 is equals to 12. And also don't get confused between equation and expression because they're nearly the same. So if 2x plus 5 is the expression, plus 5 equals to some value, maybe 7. This is the equation because we have the equal sign. The only difference is we don't have an equal sign in the expression. We also need to know about the order of operations, which is very important in algebra because you have a lot of equations to solve. So the order of operations, as it suggests in the name, it's like the order, in which order you need to do the operations. By operations I mean the binary operations I told you earlier, addition, subtraction, etc. So the rule is parentheses first, and then exponents, and then multiplications, and then divisions, and then addition and subtraction. So once again, parentheses, exponent, like this, something like this, x power 6, multiplications, x times y, and division, x divided by y, x plus y, and x minus y. So this is the operation. So whenever you have something in the parentheses, it goes first, and then the exponent part, and then the multiplication, division, and addition and subtraction. Let's get started with the sample problem. 2 plus 3 whole square divided by 5 minus 2 times 3 over 5. So 2 plus 3 whole square is 5 square over, and 5 minus 2 is 3. We have 3 over 5. So now we can, this means just multiplication. When we have nothing, that means it's multiplication. So we can cancel, go ahead and cancel out 3 and 3 and 5 and this square, so we are left with 5. So 5 is the answer. Thank you guys for watching. In the next video I'm going to show you some power rules. If you know what power is, it's the exponent and the base rules, some of the rules, and some new definitions if possible.